So, yan guys, ito yung bago nating collection guys. Nakahanap ako ng Jeep. Ang ganda niyan guys, oh. Jeep Philippines guys. Oop. Luzon, Visaya, Mindanao. Guys. Oh. Tapos meron pa tayo dito guys. Another one guys. Yan guys, meron pa tayong Hot Wheels guys. Camaro 1995. Yan guys. At meron pa ako guys isa. Ito. Celica naman to guys. 2001. Yan guys. Ito naman bago kong koleksyon guys. Celica. Forma nitong Celica guys. Oop. Tumakbo na. Guys, oh. Guys. Forma nitong Celica guys, oh. Toyota. Itong Camaro naman guys, maganda rin to guys. Chocolate to. Crunch. At itong maganda guys talaga. Pinakagusto ko. Jeep. May collection na naman tayong Jeep. Okay guys. Thanks for watching guys.